The pandemic career reset that fixed Israel's teacher shortage. After the COVID-19 pandemic caused massive job losses, Israel launched a program called Kivun H'adash to address two major issues: a teacher shortage and unemployment among college graduates. This fast-track training course aimed to help professionals start new careers in teaching. Researchers Professor Yael Fisher, Professor Orna Schatz-Oppenheimer, and Dr. Rinat Arviv Eliashiv studied the program's impact, and their findings were published in the journal Education Sciences. Faced with pandemic challenges, this program, supported by the Ministry of Education and others, trained teachers in a few months. Combined live online classes on platforms like Zoom with hands-on practice. A coordinator called it a mission as it addressed both the teacher shortage in key areas like science, math, and early education, and the economic crisis. This program showcased a fresh approach to online learning. The program faced many challenges, especially during the pandemic when schools were closed. This made it hard for trainees to get real classroom experience, known as clinical training. To cope, coordinators used virtual teaching tools and online team teaching. However, Dr. Fisher noted, they learned the materials but missed real classroom interaction, highlighting the importance of hands-on practice. The research found the program was a timely and effective solution to the dual crises. Coordinators were hopeful but cautious about participants' ability to adapt to teaching. Teachers and planners can learn a lot from this initiative. It showed how flexible, faster training programs can tackle old problems in education. These programs focus on non-traditional methods and must give trainees plenty of practical experience and support to prepare them for real teaching challenges. The study found that while online classes are good for theory, hands-on teaching practice is still crucial. A mix of online learning and real classroom experience is key for training future teachers. Dr. Fisher said, hybrid programs can teach content online, but practical training needs to happen in traditional teacher training settings.